Welcome back to Excel Champ. Today's tutorial is on how to quickly enter today's date into your worksheet using two different methods. The first will be a dynamic function that will update each time the sheet is opened. The second will be a static text shortcut which will stay as today's date. To use the first method, we're just going to type equal today, open parenthesis, close parentheses. Now when we hit enter, that will give us today's date. If this sheet is closed and then reopened tomorrow, this date will update to tomorrow's date. It will always be today's date as of when you're viewing the file. Now if we want to enter a date for today quickly that won't change every time we open the sheet, we're going to hold Control down and then hit semicolon, and that will enter today's date as text. When we look at the difference between these two, we can see this one is hard-coded text that won't change. And if we go up to cell A1, we can see it's the today function, which will change every time the sheet is open. One more quick tip. If we want to enter in the time that it is right now, real quick, we'll hold Control, Shift, and then semicolon. It will enter in the time that it is now. Thanks for viewing this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. We bring Excel tutorials on a regular basis. Thanks again for viewing.